Hello and welcome to another update of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been holding this range. This is a 4 hourly chart. We've been holding this range and are very tight. We might see some volatility now, starting off now into tomorrow. That's what we usually get on Saturday nights. A lot of Ellioticians are calling for one more hit to the high, saying that this pull down was a wave 4 of the big account, and we're wave 4 of the wave 3. So this was a 1 and this is a 2, and this is the third wave moving up. So we had a 1, a 2, or a 1, a 2, a 3, and this was all 4, and we're going up for our fifth. And this was a 1 and a 2, and possibly we're going up now for the third of the fifth, and a 4 and a 5 to complete it, and that will be 3 waves up, and then we'll have a pullback for 4 and possibly another 5. Some Ellioticians are calling for that. No matter what it is, we can trade it either way. My targets to the upside, I'll just make you aware of that. For starters, we have the 200 EMA on the 4 hourly, which is a problem for Bitcoin usually, at 17,293, 17,293, followed by the 233 at 17,428. That is on the 4 hourly chart. So looking at this, even if we move up, key break point, if we are able to break the 17,550 and hold support above it, then there's a big possibility to see the 18K range. My targets to the upside and to the downside remain the same. To the upside, 18,239, followed by 19,798 as a possible target if we were able to break higher. To the downside, I still have these targets, as you can see them: 14,776, 13,273. How can we move down? If we are going to lose the 15K range, then we could go down obviously to the 14K range. If we're to lose the 400 for starters and 16,300, then I'll be anticipating the 15K range. And if we lose that, or if we come down, we might get a good bounce and then go down again. That's a possibility. But let me look at Fibonacci projection for downside, because I have for upside. Now if we remove everything on this chart and I just get rid of all these other indicators and drawings that I have, so I can give a clean projection on the 4 hourly chart, that will be much better. Okay, so this is our chart on the 4 hourly, and we can see that we came down, and this entire move could be a move, a wave 4 from this wave 3 down that we had, and we've retraced about 0.382, almost 0.382 of this move, of this impulse to the downside. Now we do anticipate one more hit to the low to complete this. If this is a wave 4 and we've done it, then I can project where can we see the finishing of the wave 5. So basically I take it from the high over here and say this was my wave 1 of this move down, and the length of my wave 1 comes up to here, and I take it to the height of wave 4, which was right over here, and I can say my wave 1 can come down to 15, my wave 5 can come down to 15,314. And if we do that, we might get a liquidity grab and then have a bounce from there, or we might go as deep as a 1.618 to that target that I have at around 13K range. This is 13,991, that's a 14K range. So basically we need to be aware of that. And of course, if Bitcoin pumps to 17.5, 17.6, my trade setup will be thinking of a short if I'm not in the trade. And if we go down to those levels that I mentioned, then I'll be thinking of a long. I showed you an ascending channel that Bitcoin is in, and that ascending channel is, I'll draw it for you again so you know the levels. This is our channel that comes from here and around here, and we have a level over here. So if Bitcoin decides to continue in this channel, if we move down in this candle, this 4-hourly candle, we'll be coming down to 16,967. We might get a bounce, and to the upside it's around 18,191. That's very close to my target 184 of 18,200 and something. Just be aware of that. That's all my update for Bitcoin. Hope you liked it. Smash the likes. More trades. I'm out.